Hi everyone, in this quick video I want to show you how to save your Figma file to desktop or to your local space. So here in my file browser, let me open a project, and let's say I want to save this file to my local space. Let's go to the Figma icon and go to File and select Save Local Copy. Next, I will add my location and hit Save, and my file is now on my desktop. Thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next Figma tutorial.